Jooble is a global job search engine that aggregates job listings from various sources, including company websites, job boards, and career pages, making it easier for job seekers to find opportunities in their desired field. To make money online with Jooble in 2024, you can follow these steps as a beginner. Understand the job market. Begin by researching the job market and identifying the in-demand skills, industries, and positions. This will help you determine which jobs to focus on when using Jooble. Create a professional online presence. Develop a strong LinkedIn profile and a personal website or blog showcasing your skills, experience, and accomplishments. This will make you more visible to potential employers and recruiters. Optimize your Jooble profile. Create a Jooble account and complete your profile with accurate and up-to-date information. Include your skills, experience, and career goals to help recruiters find you more easily. Search for relevant job listings. Utilize Jooble's search filters to find job openings that match your skills and preferences. Set up job alerts to receive notifications for new listings in your desired field. Apply for jobs. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each job application, highlighting your relevant skills and experience. Submit your applications through the Jooble platform or directly on the employer's website. Network. Connect with professionals in your industry on LinkedIn and other networking platforms. Attend virtual job fairs and industry events to expand your network and learn about new job opportunities. Leverage social media. Share your job search progress and accomplishments on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. This can help you connect with potential employers and recruiters. Consider freelancing. If you have specialized skills, consider offering your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Jooble's freelance job section. This can help you earn money while building your professional portfolio. Stay persistent and adaptable. Continuously update your skills and be open to new opportunities. The job market is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay flexible and proactive in your search for online income. Seek additional sources of income. In addition to job search platforms like Jooble, explore other ways to make money online, such as affiliate marketing, blogging, or creating and selling digital products. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of making money online with Jooble in 2024. Remember that persistence, adaptability, and a strong online presence are key factors in a successful job search.